To switch between Gemini or Google Assistant in POCO M8 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our phone. Next step is to find the apps. Here select the apps and go to the three dots in the top right corner of the settings of the screen and go to other settings. Then select default apps on the top, scroll down to the bottom and select Assistant Voice Input. Select Digital Assistant and make sure that the Google is active right here. Now we'll be able to switch between the Google Assistant or Gemini. Now go back to the main settings page and scroll down until you find the Google, click on it and move to All Services. Now if we scroll down again, we'll be able to find Search Assistant and Voice. So let's look through it. This list is big, so you may have to scroll a bit to find it. Click on Search Assistant and Voice. In this case, I need to unlock my phone. Then we can select either Google Assistant or Gemini. So choose whichever one you like. In this case, we're gonna go for Gemini. Or actually, let's go for Google Assistant. And now we need to scroll down until we find Digital Assistant from Google, and here pick whichever one we want to use. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.